It was founded in 2019, but before that, since 2012, it exists as the Climate Network of Kyrgyzstan. Today, Green Alliance embraces some 50 organizations, ecological organizations, the operations of which are affiliated to green finance, green agriculture, green construction, academia, research and analysis, and the things alike. It's a private bank that operates since 1997 with branches across the nation. It's been the first bank in the country that, in a very enthusiastically and very maximum way, embraced green principles, green initiatives. It is opened the department of the green financing. It is developing the green bonds for approximately $1 million US. It became the first bank in Central Asia to sign the green investment principles as a part of the Belt and Road Initiative. It also built the several charging stations for electromobiles across the country on its own expense, demonstrating its the obedience to the green principles. And also, the bank launched 5 green lending programs with some 80 partners in eco-auto, or supporting the green cars, like a house, supporting these refurbishment or construction of the more self-sustainable or passive buildings and houses. And in the agriculture sector, it supports these eco-friendly use of equipment and measures for the agricultural sector. And the tourism, of course. Tourism for assisting the hotels to install these renewable energy resources. It improves their capacity and the like. And also one very important gender-based approach is the Green Lending Project, which basically to incentivize the women to get more favorable interest rate loans, because in the country statistically 60% of the loans, of all loans in the country, are taken by the women. So the role of the woman is very crucial in the economy, in our country. As of course, we have a very vibrant and very active civil society, and the Green Alliance members are doing a good job. So this bank is trying to embrace all 17 possible 17 global development SDGs in its initiatives and its daily approach, but I would like to point a few of them. One is the decent work and economic growth. Second is the action to combat climate and change. The third is affordable and clean energy. Fourth is sustainable cities and communities. Fifth is the responsible consumption and production. And sixth, the basic and gender equality. These are cornerstones of their daily operations. And of course, it is a proud member of the Green Alliance. This bank is the first and going ahead among the private banks. Of course, we as a Green Alliance making a consulting to other banks who also would like to increase their capacity when it comes to the green financing. Answering to your question regarding the technologies, how they can transform. Of course, the technologies play a significant role, particularly for the countries like developing nations like Kyrgyzstan is. And in this context, the Green Alliance, we developed the bill, the draft law, and we submitted to the Parliament, offering to take away the 12% of the VAT, value-added tax, on the equipment which are identified and categorized as energy efficient and eco-friendly. So we are doing that to incentivize improve the buying capacity of society. Of course, the income is not that high, so is their payment and purchasing power impact. So and we hope that it will allow to go further. I'm not saying it's all perfect. There are barriers, particularly when we speak about the barriers. It's there's an absence of the support from the government side. There is a absence of the loan money, cheaper money, and of course there is no categorized system. We're talking about design. It is a discussion. I'm different platforms. We speak to the Minister of Economy about it, but of course I think that we are on the way. And of course this is a process, it's a journey from brown economy to green. It's with all these systemic issues in the country that yet to be solved, the private sector itself took the things in its own hand, and of course doing a lot of initiatives and things on a local basis. And I just want to, at the end of my answer, I just want to provide maybe one example, a couple of examples. We have, when we speak about the private sector, this in absence of support of the government, there is a manufacturing of the green small tracks, load tracks, which are purely done, assembled in Kyrgyzstan by the small private company. And of course they're doing primarily their own initiative without any support from the government. I mean, it is really sad at the moment, but I think that's the realities we have. But I hope that the hope is that in the future, as this understanding of the urgency to move towards green economy and the role of the government and to support the private sector by creating the more favorable fiscal measures. So you also asked about what measures what government could take. Is it better tax policies, lower tax, or no tax for these green equipments? And of course, on the other hand, the government's argument is, look, we need to collect the tax to ensure our social responsibility, the budgetary obligations, yeah? And we can understand as well. So this is a debate, there's a discussion between private sector, between Green Alliance and its partners and members, with the governmental agencies, with the Minister of Finance, Minister of Economy, Minister of Nature, but slowly, I think, but surely, we are moving in that direction. I would like to stop here. If there is a question, I would love to answer. Thanks a lot.